Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 4 in Atmiya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your maths teacher. So now we will start chapter number 5, factors and multipliers. So what is the topic of today's students? Our today's topic is lowest common multiples, LCM. So before starting our topic, first we will see what you had learned in the last classes. So what you had learned in the last classes, first is the multiplies. Then property of multiplies. How many property of multiplies? 5 property of multiply. Then next is the odd and even number. What is the odd number and what is the even number? A number which is multiple of 2 is called even numbers, and the number which is not multiple of 2 is called odd number. The next topic is factors. So what is the factor? A factor of number divide the number without leaving a remainder. Okay. Then next topic is factor trees. This is the diagram of factor tree. Now next is the prime number and composite number. What is the prime number and what is the composite number? Number which have only two factors. One and the number itself are called prime number. Then composite number. Number which have more than two factors are called composite number. Then next is the property. How many property of factors? 4 property of factors. Then twins prime. What is the twin prime? Two prime number which different by 2 are called twins prime. Suppose हमने क्या लिए है? 2 prime number लिए है. एग्जाम्पल 3 और 5. 3 और 5 के बीच में कितना डिफरेंट है? 2 का डिफरेंस है. मतलब ये क्या है? ट्विंस प्राइम नंबर. Then next is the common factor. What is meant by common factor? Highest common factor. Highest common factor is normally written as HCF. It is also called greatest common divisor. Then co-prime. Two numbers which have only one as common factor are called co-prime. क्या है? 2 नंबर लिए और उनका फैक्टर क्या है? सिर्फ 1 नंबर है. उसको हम बोलते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर्स. नाउ our today's topic is lowest common multiple. So what is lowest common multiple? LCM. But before starting our topic, first I will show you one video about the lowest common multiple.
Today, let us learn about the least common multiple, or you can call it LCM too. Let us understand the meaning of the term common multiple. When two or more numbers have the same numbers as their multiples, those multiples are said to be common multiples. Now let us see what do we mean by the least common multiple. The least common multiple of two or more numbers is the smallest number that is a multiple of those numbers. To understand it in a better way, let us solve an example. Find the least common multiple of 5 and 10. We will follow a 3-step process to find the least common multiple. Step 1. List the multiples of all the given numbers. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and so on. The multiples of 10 are 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and so on. Step 2. Identify the common multiples of all the given numbers. The common multiples of 5 and 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. Step 3. Write the least common multiple of all the given numbers. Here, the least common multiple is 10. Thus, LCM is 10, which is the smallest number of the common multiples. Now, let us solve one more example. Find the LCM of 6, 8, and 12. The multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, and so on. Next, the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, and so on. Finally, the multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, and so on. Here, the common multiples of 6, 8, and 12 are 24 and 48 and so on. Thus, LCM is 24. Now kids, I am sure all of you must be wondering why we did not list 0 as a multiple for any of the numbers. That is because we do not consider 0 when we have to find the LCM, as otherwise the LCM of all the numbers would always be 0. Remember kids, it is important to learn the tables to find the multiples and the least common multiple.
I hope all of you nicely understood about the lowest common multiple in the video. So now we will start our topic. So for that have one example. Look at here. Example number 1. Find the common multiple of 3 and 4. What? Which number? 3 and 4. What is the common multiple of 3 and 4? So first we will write multiple of 3 are. क्या है 3 के multiply? We are writing table. Okay. First 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and 36. यहाँ पे क्या किया है? फर्स्ट 3 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, 3 को 2 के साथ, 3 के साथ 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 अप टू एक्सेट्रा. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमें सो ऑन तक मल्टीप्लाई करना है. देन द मल्टीपल ऑफ 4 आर 4. व्हाट इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44 एंड सो ऑन. ये क्या है? यहाँ पे भी 4 का टेबल लिखा है, मतलब 4 को 1 के साथ 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 अप टू 11 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया. नाउ वी वांट द कॉमन मल्टीपल आर रिंग दिस आर. अभी हमें क्या करना है? जो कॉमन मल्टीपल है उसको क्या करना है? रिंग करना है. तो व्हाट इज द कॉमन? 12 is common, then 24 is common, 36 is common. So 12, 24, 36 and so on is the common. Now the smallest of these common multiples is a 12. It is called lowest common multiple LCM of 3 and 4. क्या होता है? LCM मतलब जो सबसे छोटा क्या है मल्टीपल है उसको हम बोलते हैं लोवेस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल LCM. सो इसमें सबसे छोटा क्या है जो कॉमन है 12. सो 12 इज द LCM. नाउ लेट्स एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2. फाइंड द LCM ऑफ 3, 4 and 6. What is the number? Find the LCM of 3, 4 and 6. So 6, 3 tables and 4 tables already is written. Okay, so now here is the 6 table. So in 3 multiples 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, and the multiple of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, so on. Now here is the 6 multiple. The 6 multiples of are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, so on. Now we want the common multiple of 3, 4 and 6 are. अभी तीनों में क्या कॉमन है? 12 is common, 24 is common, 36 is common and so on. The LCM of 3, 4 and 6 are 12. इसमें क्या है? 12 is the common LCM. Now look at here. The lowest common multiple LCM of 2 or more number is the smallest number that is divisible by each of the number. डिविजिबल मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे देखो 12. सपोज हमने 3 को 12 के साथ डिवाइड किया तो इसको डिवाइड हो सकता है यस इन 4 टाइम्स. ओके, सो 0. देन नेक्स्ट इज द 4 को साथ 2 के साथ डिवाइड किया तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 3, 12. सो वी विल गेट 0. सो क्या ये 3 and 4 डिविजिबल है तो जो स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है वो क्या होता है सबके साथ डिविजिबल होता है. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3. फाइंड द LCM ऑफ 6 and 12. फाइंड द LCM ऑफ 6 and 12. द मल्टीपल ऑफ 6 क्या है? मल्टीपल 6 के 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and so on. The number of 12 are 12 की क्या है? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 or so on. Now we want the common multiples are. क्या है common multiples? 12, 24, 36, 48 and 60. Now we want the LCM of 6 and 12 is. 6 and 12 is multiple 12. क्या है इसका common LCM क्या है? 12 है. The greatest of two numbers 6 and 12 is LCM. ठीक है, LCM क्या है इसका? 12 है. If one number is multiple of another, the greatest number is LCM of two number. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? देखो यहाँ पे क्या है 12 है. 12 क्या होता है? 6 के टेबल में है ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर मतलब ये मल्टीपल है तो जो क्या है मल्टीपल नंबर है जो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है 12 मतलब ये क्या होगा उस दोनों नंबर का LCM होगा. ओके, सो लुक एट द 6 में 12 है और 12 में 12 है मतलब ये क्या है ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है और ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर अगर क्या है मल्टीपल है तो उसका LCM कहता है जो मल्टीपल नंबर है मतलब 12 इज द मल्टीपल. नाउ एग्जाम्पल नंबर 4. फाइंड द LCM ऑफ 3 and 7. फाइंड द LCM ऑफ 3 and 7. सो लुक एट देयर दैट 3 and 7 विच नंबर? दीज आर द को प्राइम नंबर. द मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 आर. 3 के मल्टीप्लाइज क्या है? मल्टीपल नहीं सॉरी मल्टीप्लाइज. द मल्टीप्लाइज ऑफ 3 आर 6, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21 and so on. The multiples of 7 are. 7 के क्या मल्टीपल्स है? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42 and so on. Hence the LCM of 3 and 7 are 21. दोनों का LCM क्या है? 21. Look at that. You can see that. 3 into 7 equal to 21. 3 into 7 कितना होता है? 21 होता है. That the LCM 3 and 7 is the product of 3 and 7. अगर सपोज क्या है, 2 नंबर्स क्या है, कौन सा नंबर है? को प्राइम नंबर है. इफ द 2 नंबर्स आर को प्राइम, देयर LCM इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर. मतलब ये देखो 3 और 7 क्या है? प्राइम नंबर है, को प्राइम नंबर है. अगर इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई किया, 3 और 7 को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो कितना मिलता है? 21. और दोनों का कॉमन मल्टीप्लाइज क्या है? 21. इफ द 2 नंबर्स आर को प्राइम, देयर LCM इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द नंबर्स. Okay, now exercise 5.6 we will be taking our next periods. I hope all of you nicely understood about the lowest common multipliers. Thank you and have a nice day.